return and risk of a portfolio which is consisting of three securities. Calculate expected return and risk of a portfolio which is consisting of three securities, and the details are as follows. Securities WI RI bar, securities 1 2 3, three securities are given, and W's means weights are given 0.4, 0.34 and 0.26, and expected returns are given 15% in case of first security, 20% in case of second security, and 10% in case of third security. And apart from that, variance and covariance are given here. So 1 2 3, 0.1, 0.1, 0 minus 0.8, 0.1, 0.25, 0.2, minus 0.8, 0.2 and 0.4. So all these factors represents individual risk or the standard deviation of individual securities. So first security standard deviation is 0.1, second security standard deviation is 0.25, and third security standard deviation is 0.4, and remaining all are covariances between two securities. So here 0.1 is going to be the covariance of security 1 and 2. Minus 0.8 represents covariance of securities 1 and 3. Here 0.1 represents covariance of securities 2 and 1 again. So these two will be the same because these are the covariances of security 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. Both of them are same. So here minus 0.8 which represents the covariance between security 3 and 1. So like this covariance and covariance matrix will be given, and from which we have to find out expected return and risk. We will see the solution. RP bar, that is expected return of a portfolio, is equal to sigma WI RI bar, I is equal to 1 to n. So weights are to be multiplied with their returns and summation. So first security weight is 0.4 into 15%, plus second security weight is 0.34 into second security return 20%, plus third security weight is 0.26 and its return is 10%. So 6 plus 6.8 plus 2.6, we will get 15.4% as the expected return. Then expected risk formula is W1 square sigma 1 square plus W2 square sigma 2 square plus W3 square sigma 3 square plus 2W1 W2 sigma 1 sigma 2 sigma 1 2 plus 2W2 W3 sigma 2 sigma 3 sigma 2 3 plus 2W1 W3 sigma 1 sigma 3 sigma 1 3. So we need to simply apply weights, standard deviations and covariances in this formula. So 0.4 square into 0.1 square plus 0.3 square, that is W2 square, that is weight of the second security, into standard deviation of the second security is 0.25 square plus 0.26 square, that is standard deviation of weight of the third security, into standard deviation of the third security 0.4 square plus 2 into 0.4 W1 into 0.34 W2, standard deviation of 1 0.1, standard deviation of 2 0.25 into standard covariance of 1 and 2, so that is 0.1, plus 2 into standard deviation of weight of second security 0.34, weight of third security 0.26 into 0.245 standard deviation of second security, and the standard deviation of third security is 0.4 into covariance of this second and third securities, that is minus 0.8, plus 2 into standard deviation of first security, weight of first security 0.4, weight of third security 0.26, standard deviation of first security 0.1, standard deviation of third security 0.4 into covariance of 1 and 3. So you solve this, you will get the portfolio return, so which is 0.0172, and this is going to be 1.72 in terms of percentages. Thank you. Now we will see sum on expected